Rainbow Sparkles. Today we are going to be making and reviewing this Lego Friends. It's a pretty cool bunny Lego set.
We got it in Toys R Us for $3.99.
Pretty good price actually.
It says here that you see the bunny. I think that's 1.1 inches.
What's a one bunny?
I'm not sure.
And
on the back it shows.
So on the back it shows. Yeah.
Okay, so
So it looks pretty cool.
We're
going
going
to
to
now
make
make it.
So we're going to open it and we're going to say there's a lots and lots of little pieces. So we're going to see you guys later on.
Welcome back. We have now made it. So
it's really awesome.
So there's like a little bunny in here and it looks pretty cool.
There's an extra part. I think bunnies are supposed to eat on it. There's a little carrot on it.
Yeah.
And then,
there's like a bunny there and a ramp for them to climb. So
there's
like
a little bunny here with a bow on its head, if you can see.
So there's quite a few little
bunnies.
There's
some water here and some water here. I think that's milk actually. Yeah. Little plants. So it's really awesome.
So cool.
And thank you for watching. Please go on our.
I like it. I think it's pretty cool.
Yeah.
And like they've got a door. So this here opens. So it opens there and it closes so they can get out and in. And I hope you also think it is awesome.
It's really cool and it's
I hope you enjoyed this video.
Please go on our Instagram and our website and Snapchat and PicCollage. I hope you enjoy. Bye-bye.
Bye.